Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download voice clip from Messenger on phone. So basically, before you do anything, go ahead and update your app to the latest version. Secondly, if you want to download a voice or a clip of a voice message on your Messenger and you want to download it on your phone, unfortunately for now, Messenger doesn't provide that feature. But what you're gonna do, you could just go ahead to your message containing the audio clip or voice recording that you want to download. Click the three dots next to the audio clip and then select download. If you're using Chrome or Chrome based browser, you could just you will see an icon of three vertical dots on the right side of the recording. Why am I saying that? Because if you download it, especially while you are using iPhone, you can edit or clip or take a clip from that audio that maybe can help you with your thing, and basically you're gonna be able to publish it or share it to all over social media. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.